Alright, yes, boys, welcome to the video on channel. Today we're going to react to IShowSpeed meeting a monkey for the first time. Not a racist way, please. Don't do this racist or anything. We're just watching IShowSpeed with a monkey. So, yeah, this is going to be a hilarious reaction from him. Let's see this.
Oh, yo, Habibi, monkey, oh, my friend, monkey. Where you going? Where you going? Hey. Close. My monkey. Come here, monkey. Oh, monkey.
Imagine if he punches him in the nuts, bro.
When people call me monkeys all the time, I don't get it. Like, how are we alike? Oh, she want to take me on a date? Where she want to take me?
She's scared outside.
Oh, she's scared? Hey, baby. Woo-hoo! Yo, let's dance or something. Where she want to take me? Oh, she's scared?
There's so many people here. Yes.
Oh. Hey, what's your name? Habuba. Hey, how old are you? You fine as hell. Hey,
Nah, bro, he's
yeah.
taking the piss, bro.
Oh, you from Saudi Arabia? That's crazy. You look cute. I know. That's crazy, ain't it? But yeah, like, what's up, baby? Damn, why she not? Hello? Does she not like me? I thought I was a monkey. Oh, touch her? Hey, I just want to talk to you. Oh, hug her? Oh, I can hug you? Oh. Really?
She rejected you.
Really? I just got rejected by a monkey? Hey, baby. Damn. You don't like me? I'm trying to. Okay, baby, come here. Hug. She doesn't want to hug, bro. Am I that ugly? I'm getting rejected. Am I just ugly? I think she's socially awkward. Is she okay? She already ate? Hold my hand. You okay? She don't like me. Why don't she like me? She doesn't love me? Give me a hug then. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. How do I get her attention? Hold her hand. Oh, hold her hand. Oh, yeah. Hey, where you going? Where's she going? Where's she going?
He's escaping. She's escaping the Matrix. That was funny. How the fuck did I came up with that, bro? What the fuck? Nah, that's jokes. Alright. Escaping the Matrix is crazy. Alright, you know what? Nice. Great video, man. Great to see.